Here in India's capital city, New Delhi, in a concrete shack, an unusual sight. Bhure Lal isn't a doctor, but for years he's been treating burn victims here with a secret homemade paste that's cooked up in a nearby candy shop. Dildar Singh's chest was scorched by a pot of boiling tea. Mr. Lal smears the sticky paste onto scraps of old cloth, then applies it to the wounds. The teenager's father, a rickshaw driver, says his son is healing.
A wooden plank fell and tea spilled here. His face was saved, but this bit all burned. I know that after 4 dressings at this clinic, a patient gets completely better. He doesn't have any injuries or feel any pain.
Many patients here are in agony with severe burns from boiling milk, cooking oil, electrical shock. The hygiene is minimal. Mr. Lal has no formal medical training. He worked in a mirror factory, but people keep coming.
People don't like going to hospitals because they don't give patients proper attention. If someone comes with injuries all over, we have no problem treating them.
Mr. Lal says this is a public service. Patients express faith in the treatment because they've lost faith in India's overburdened health system. India spends less on health care than almost any other nation. Government hospitals are overcrowded. There's a severe shortage of doctors and beds. India's top burns doctor says the government needs to do more.
First thing would be to create awareness that burns are preventable, and prevention is the rule for tackling burns in any country.
Aksha was burned after her skirt caught fire. Her parents say they brought her to 2 hospitals, but the doctors didn't help. In fact, she says one hospital told her they suspected she had burned her child on purpose because she's a girl.
In the hospital, they put a police case on us. Why would we do this to our own daughter?
The secret ointment that Bhure Lal applies to burn victims is made just across the street in this tiny candy shop. The gentleman who makes it has been doing it for decades. Jawahar was burned as a boy. His father treated his wounds a half-century ago, he says, after a holy man suggested the mystery concoction.
He told us, use this medicine and you'll get better. For 1 month, I used the medicine, and after a month, I got better.
His father died years ago. Today, Jawahar's shop cooks candies like this, and also the burn paste. It's prepared in the same pots, then dispensed across the street, free of charge, as a public service. For the Wall Street Journal, this is Jesse Pesta in New Delhi.